Welcome everyone to our Google Classroom tutorial. So in this session, we will be exploring how Google Classroom works, and especially for students on how to submit the assessments. Okay, so we acknowledge that everyone is still trying to adjust to this platform, and we're here to guide you step by step. Okay, so let's start. Google Classroom, it has three main tabs. As we can see here, we have Stream, Classwork, and People. So for Stream, this is where announcements are made. So we can see here whenever the teachers are having some announcements or some discussions. Okay, and for the next section, we have classwork. Okay, so this is where the assessments, the quizzes, and the materials are organized. So as we can see here, we have the diagnostic test tab, okay, the week one tab, and so on and so forth. So we'll just add another tab for each week, okay, that we have. So next is the People's tab. So in this tab, you will see the teachers and your fellow classmates, okay? But what's important for this session is to be able to share with you guys how to submit the assessments. Okay, so let me share with you, for example, this one. So for math, most of your assignments, you will be needing to submit photos or document files for answers. Okay, so we want to see how you're able to arrive at the answers or share your solutions. Okay, so what you will need to do is to click the quiz and click view instructions. Okay, click this one and you will arrive at this tab. Okay, so try to read first the instructions, and this is the attachment. So this is the PDF file of the quiz. So just click that, and now you can see the questions. Okay, and we can also see here that there's the deadline. Okay, so for math, this one is scheduled to be due on August 10, 11:59 p.m. Okay, so for the submission, you just navigate on the right hand side, which is the Your Work section. Okay, and to submit your files, you just need to click this button, add or create. Okay, so if you click that, and if you're planning to add a file, okay, so let's say you took a picture of your answer, so you just click file, and you will arrive at this section. Now, just click the browse button, and you will arrive at your file manager. Okay, so just click the picture or any files that you want to upload. For example, I would like to upload this. Okay, it's still uploading there. So just wait for the file to be uploaded, and okay, always remember to turn in your submission. Okay, so if it's not turned in, it is still draft. Okay, it is still a draft. So don't forget to always click this button, turn in. Okay, so after turning in, you will see here, there's the it changed from missing to turned in link. Okay, so that's how you submit a file. Okay, now what if you want to submit Google Docs link? Okay, so again, just go to this section, your work section, click add or create button, then click link. Okay, so with this one, you will be redirected to this section. There's the add link button. You just copy paste, okay, from your Google Docs link, copy that and paste it here. Okay, and don't forget to change the access to anyone with the link. Okay, because the default is restricted only. Okay, so that's for Google Docs. And another one, so for the other subjects, so just go back. Let's go back. For the other subjects, you will be having Google Forms. Okay, so for Google Forms, you just need to click on the link, and you will be redirected to uh, the quiz in Google Forms. Okay, so in that, you just need to answer on the Google Forms only. No need to go submit anything in your work section. Okay, so whenever the quiz or assessment is in Google Forms, just answer directly there. Okay, no need to add or create for this type of assessment. Okay, so most of the time you will be having Google Forms for the other subjects like science, English, or abstract reasoning. Okay, that's the time when you will be given assessments via Google Forms. Okay, so if that's the case, again, just click the link. You will be redirected into this section and just answer directly. Okay, so for example, we click the name here, just click next, and answer directly. Okay, so that's for the submission. Okay, so for our review sessions, usually we'll be having two types of assessment. Okay, the first one is like this one for math, wherein you need to submit files, and for the other one, for the other subjects, we'll answer via Google Forms. Okay, so I hope everything is clear in this tutorials. Again, if you have any questions, any concerns with submission, you can just message us directly. Okay, and also another thing I want to add is that the post button here is already disabled. Okay, so the students would not be able to post anything in the Google Classroom. Okay, so this is in order for the Google Classroom to be clean and organized. Okay, only the important announcements will be seen by the students. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. So once again, thank you so much and happy learning, everyone.